Next we are going to see the Q. This is a capital Q and this is a small q. Let's write the capital Q. The capital Q is very easy. Just put a O like this and just draw a line like this. Simple, very simple. One more time I am telling, listen carefully children. Just put it like a O. Just put it like a O and put a line like this. This is a capital Q. It's a very easy, isn't it? Okay, the small q, make a circle like this. Just make a circle like this and again take a reverse from here and little bit upwards. Okay, now one more time I'm telling, just make a small circle like this, then again downward and again little bit upward. Okay, so Q, queen, and it sounds qua. And what is the sound of the Q? Qua. Okay, there are a lot of colorful picture. You are going to tick the picture that begin with Q sound. Okay, you are going to tick the pictures that begin with Q sound. Okay, now I am going to help you by ticking the one picture. Listen, this is a question mark, question mark. Okay, question. This is a question. Okay, the starting, the begins with Q sound. So I am just putting a tick. Okay, the remaining is for your exercise. You can do yourself. You already know what is the name of these things by using these pictures. If the picture begins with Q sound, you can make a tick. Okay, shall you do this? If you do, I will feel very happy. Okay. Okay, if you not find out, don't worry, I will help you. Did you find out? I'm giving a clue. I'm giving a clue. It starts with Q. Tell me the word. Tell me the word. It starts with Q. Okay, I think you all find out. Okay, very good. Shall we move to the next letter? Okay, before going to the next letter, I'm going to just recall it. This is a capital Q and this is a small q. Q for queen and it sounds qua. And the sound of the Q is qua. Next we are going to the next letter. Next we are going to see R. Okay. Okay. This is a capital R. This is a small r. R for rocket. Okay. Do you all love rockets? Okay. Do you all having a rocket toy? Yes, I know it very well. Okay. What is the sound of R? Roo. What is the sound of R? Roo. What is the sound of R? Roo. Okay, shall we write R? Okay, how to write the capital R? Just draw a straight line like this and make a U-turn like a P and one slanting line, downward slanting line. One more time I am telling children, listen carefully. One straight line and one U-turn like this and downward slanting line. This is a capital R. Okay, next small r. It's also very easy. Just draw a straight line like this and take a break, and from the quarter portion of the straight line you can make a bend like this. Okay, just draw a straight line like this. From the quarter portion you just draw a slanting line like this. Okay, now we are going to write the R letter in the box. If you hear the R sound, if you hear the R sound, we can write the R in that particular box. You all know what is this? Rainbow. Yes, rainbow has how many colors? 7 colors. Very good, very good. Rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, tell me loudly. Rainbow. Tell me loudly. Rainbow. Do you hearing any R sound? Yes. Shall I write R? Yes, R. What is this? What is this? Yes, this is rhinoceros. What is this? Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros have horn in top of the nose. Yes, the rhinoceros have the horn in top of the nose. Yes, it's having R sound. Rhinoceros. You are hearing any R sound? Yes. Shall I write R? Very good children. Okay, what is this? Yes, rabbit. Beautiful rabbit. Do you hearing any R sound? Yes. Shall I write R? Okay, thank you. Okay. Next, this is rock. What is this? Rock. Do you hearing any R sound? If you hear any R sound, by using your forefinger, you can write R. Simple. Okay. Now one more time I'm just recalling. This is a capital R. This is a small r. R for rocket. What is the sound of R? Roo. What is the sound of R? Roo. Rainbow, rhinoceros, rabbit, and this is a ring and this is rock. If these two picture, in this two picture, you hearing R sound, by using your forehand, you can write R. Very simple. Okay. After R, what is the next letter? You are feeling very lazy. I am able to see. Very lazy children. Some of them are lying and seeing the mobile phones. Just sit straight. Just sit straight. Okay, shall we play a game? Play a game. Just okay. Make your keep your hands like this. Keep your hands like this and just tap it and clap, 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 clap it, clap, 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 jump, 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 sit, 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 stand, stand, sit, sit, stand, sit. Okay, well done, well done, well done. Okay, now we are moving to the next letter. Now we are going to see S. Okay, shall we write S? Okay, the S seems to be like snake, isn't it? Yes, but don't get afraid. We can write the S. Just put like a C. Just put like a C and take a break. Then again continue and just take like this and go down and go down, go down and upward. Okay, one more time I'm telling, just put like a C and take a break. And from the end you can make it like this. Bend it like this to upward. Very easy. Next we are going to write small c. Same procedures like a C and take a break and just continue by bending like this and go upward. This is a small C. Okay. This is a capital. This is a capital S and this is small s. S for squirrel. S for squirrel. Squirrel likes to eat what? Guava. It loves to eat guava. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to circle the picture that have the yes sound. Okay. What is this? What is this? It starts with S sound. Okay. You have to find out the name. Okay. You have to find out the name. Okay. Next. What is this? Snail. Very good. Snail. You are hearing any S sound? Yes. Shall I circle? Okay. If I want to circle, what is the rule? Yes. You want to sing a song. Okay. Shall we sing a song together? Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Very good. Okay. See here. What is the number? What is the number this? 6. Do you hearing any S sound? If you hear any X sound, what is this? This is 6. Do you hearing any S sound? If you hear any S sound, you can make a circle. Okay. What is this? Snake. Yes. Do you hearing any S sound? If you hearing any S sound, you can make a circle. How you are going to make a circle? By using your forefinger and going to make a beautiful circle. Okay, one more time I am going to tell. This is a capital S and this is a small s. S for squirrel. What is the sound of yes? Shh, shh, shh. What is the sound of yes? Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Next we are moving to the next letter. Now we are going to see T. Okay. Okay. Just see how I am writing. one straight line like this, and here one sleeping line. See children, how I am writing? See here, one straight line and one sleeping line. Very good. Now I am going to write small t. Let's we write small t. Yes. Okay, just put a straight line like this. Take your pencil, just put a straight line like this and little bit bent like this, bent. Okay, one more time I am telling. Just take your pencil. Okay, just put a straight line like this and just give a small curve. And here we have to put one sleeping line. Okay, we have to put one sleeping line. This is small t. Okay, T for tomato. Okay, see here how many colorful pictures is there, isn't it? These looks very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, we are going to draw lines from the pictures to the T. That is, I'm telling, for example, tell me what is this? What is this? Tree. Very good. Tell me loudly. Tree. What is the beginning? It's beginning with T sound. Tell me the tree is a word. It's beginning with T sound or not? Yes, it's having a T sound. It's okay. So I'm going to make a line to the letter T. Okay. Let's see. What is this? This is car. Okay, but it does not begin with T sound. Yes, this is no. Okay, what is this? This is flower. Okay, is that begin with T sound? No, it doesn't have T sound. Okay, what is this? Tent. Very good. Okay, tell me loudly. Tent. Tent. Okay, it begins with T sound. So I'm going to join the lines to the T. Okay, next, what is this? Very good. This is tiger. Okay, tell me loudly. Tiger. Tell me loudly. Tiger. Okay, do you hearing any T sound? Yes. Okay, shall I draw a line to the T? Okay. Okay, next, what is this? Tortoise. Okay, the tortoise. You are hearing any T sound? Tortoise. No. Okay, tell me loudly. Tortoise. Tortoise. Do you hearing any T sound? Yes, it begins with T sound. So I am going to make a line to the letter T. Okay. Next, what is this? This is tractor. Okay, what? This is tractor. Okay, tell me loudly. Tractor. Tell me loudly. Tractor. Do you hearing any T sound? Yes, the tractor, it begins with T sound. Shall I draw a line to the T? Yes. Very good. You have done a very good job. One more time I am telling, this is a capital T and this is a small t. T for tomato. T, t, t. What is the sound of the T? T, t. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T, 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 tree. T, t, tent. T, t, tiger. T, t, tortoise. T, t, tractor. Okay, well done. Now let's see the another letter.